Hello, Ryan here with Frontline Animal Removal. It might be a little windy, I apologize for that, but I'm here fixing a long-term raccoon problem. So let me show you what somebody else did to fix it. This was somebody else's fix. They took this piece of wire and a can of spray foam and they installed it. And let me show you where they installed it. They installed it right up here. It was like that. That did not stop the raccoons. They kept coming in. I ripped that piece of wire out pretty fast. When you look at this piece of metal, it's all dirtied up from the raccoons. Here's the soffit. How dirty that is. Because after it was fixed, the raccoons split the soffit apart and started climbing up in here. You can see the wood's dirty there. We even have some hair fibers there. Some more hair fibers up there. Some hair fibers there. My fix is to take this piece of plywood and we're going to fit it up into here, put the soffit in. So I'm going to put the camera down and kind of loosely fit this in, not permanently, but loosely fit it in and show you how that looks. That should be a little better. Now we have a plywood barrier in here. The raccoons won't be able to push this up and out of the way. It is not screwed or locked down yet. I simply place it in here to see how it looks. Looks pretty good. The raccoons focus in on this area right down here. That's where they get in. So this is all reinforced. The soffit panels will fit right there, J channel, and they'll nail right here on the fascia board. So they'll cover this up just like it's supposed to, and it'll look really good when it's done. And I've pulled out all the extra spray foam, which, you know, if I can do this with my bare hands, a raccoon with claws and teeth can just shred it. And then we'll fit a little piece of metal in here to block that down, and this spot will be raccoon proofed. So I have to do multiple places on this building for this, but this is an example where raccoons were getting in. Someone tried to fix it, that piece of wire and some spray foam, and they still kept getting in. So now we're doing the correct approach. We're doing a heavy-duty reinforcement that will work for a very, very, very long time. And it'll be invisible when it's all done. So after I'm done putting this all back together, I'll show you the final product. Hold on. Okay, let me show you the finished product. Here we have it. Now really the only thing that kind of gives away that everything's been modified is you can see a screw there, see a screw there, but they're hidden in the ribs, they're not very noticeable. And this soffit had disconnected from here before, so you can see it's all dirty from the raccoons. So this will need wash to bring it, you know, nice and clean like here. You can still see remnants of the spray foam, but you know, down there from the ground looking up, nobody will notice it. So let's look at it from down here. And from here, it looks pretty good. So not too bad. The raccoons will stay away now. Thank you.